حرف الدال the letter دال دال فتحة دا والكسر دي والضم دو. Here we have the letter دال with the vowel فتحة and here with the vowel كسرة and here with the vowel ضمة. The mistake when pronouncing the letter دال with the vowel فتحة is to make the vowel heavy da or to make the vowel light de, and the right pronunciation is da. With the vowel كسرة, the mistake is to pronounce the vowel like this, de, not complete vowel. Another mistake is to give hams, and the sound of the letter is like the sound of the letter ta, like this, di. With the vowel dhamma, we must complete the vowel, and the mistake is to pronounce the vowel heavy like this, do, or light like this, du. So the right pronunciation is da, di, du. والفتحتان دن والكسرتان دن والضمتان دن. Here we have the letter دال with a double vowel فتحة, and here with a double vowel كسرة, and here with a double vowel ضمة. The mistake when pronouncing the letter dal with a double vowel, which is tanween, is to give a lot of time at the end of pronunciation to the noon of tanween, like this, dan, din, dun. Another mistake is to give qalqalah like this, dan, din, dun. So the right pronunciation is dan, din, dun. والشدة والفتح أد والشدة والكسر أد والشدة والضم أد. Here we have the letter dal with shadda and the vowel fatha, and here the letter dal with shadda and the vowel kasra, and here the letter dal with shadda and the vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter dal with shadda and a vowel is to change the sound of the letter to the sound of the letter ta, like this, adta, adti, adtu, and this is hams. So the right pronunciation is adda, addi, addu. والشدات والفتحتان أدًا والشدات والكسرتان أدٍ والشدات والضمتان أدٌ. Here we have the letter dal with shadda and the double vowel fatha, and here the letter dal with shadda and the double vowel kasra, and here the letter dal with shadda and the double vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter dal with shadda and the double vowel is to push the letter like this, addan, addin, addun, and the right pronunciation is addan, addin, addun. والفتحة والمد دا والكسرة والمد دي والضمة والمد دو. Here we have the letter dal with the lengthening of the vowel fatha, and here the letter dal with the lengthening of the vowel kasra, and here the letter daal with the lengthening of the vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter daal with the lengthening of the vowel fatha is to make the lengthening heavy like this, da, or light like this, da, and the right pronunciation is da. With the vowel kasra, the mistake is to give hams to the lengthening like this, d, and the right pronunciation is d. With the vowel dhamma, don't make the lengthening heavy like this, do, or light like this, do. Another mistake is to don't give the right time to the lengthening like this, da, di, do. So the right pronunciation is da, di, do. والشدة والفتح وامدد الدا والشدة والكسر وامدد الدي والشدة والضم وامدد الدو. Here we have the letter daal with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel fatha, and here the letter daal with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel kasra, and here the letter daal with shadda and the lengthening of the vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter daal with shadda and the lengthening is to push the letter like this, adda, addi, addu, and the right pronunciation is adda, addi, addu. والفتحة والياء دي والفتحة والواو دو. Here we have the letter daal with the lean letters. The letter daal with the lean letter ya, the letter daal with the lean letter waw. The mistake when pronouncing the letter daal with the lean letters is to give a lot of time to the lean letter like this, day, do. Another mistake is to make the vowel light like this, day, do. Another mistake is to make the vowel heavy like this, day, do. So the right pronunciation is day, do. والفتح والسكون أد والكسر والسكون إد والضم والسكون أد. Here we have the letter daal with sukun preceded with a vowel, with a letter with vowel fatha, and here the letter daal with sukun preceded with a letter with vowel kasra, and here the letter daal with sukun preceded with a letter with vowel dhamma. The mistake when pronouncing the letter daal with sukun is to don't give the right qalqala and to give the sound of istitala like this, ad, id, un. Another mistake is to finish the sound of sukun with a sound of fatha like this, ada, ida, uda. So the right pronunciation is ad, id, ud. The qalqala must always be quick.